Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Translator कहाँ गए?
Translation will be simultaneous translation.
Simultaneous translator? No, they understand everybody.
No, simultaneous translation in Portuguese, so who doesn't understand English will get in the radio.
So first of all, I offer my humble, respectful obeisances unto the lotus feet of my Guru Pad Padma, Nitya Lila Pravishtam Vishnu Pad, Ashtutra Satasya Srimad Bhakti Vedanta Silavam Goswami Maharaj, and Nitya Lila Pravishtam Vishnu Pad, Ashtutra Srimad Bhakti Vedanta Silavam Goswami Maharaj. Simultaneously offer my humble, respectful Dandavat Pranam, lotus feet of Nitya Lila Pravishtam Vishnu Pad, Ashtutra Srimad Bhakti Vedanta Swami Maharaj, Srila Gauranga Goswami Maharaj, Bhakti Raka Sridhar Goswami, Bhakti Puri Goswami Maharaj, Srila Bhakti Vidan Bharati Goswami Maharaj, and all senior devotees and all Vaishnavis, and presented all of my respectful guests. So continue. I also discuss Sri Bhajan Rahasya. Bhajan means that is called direct serve to our Ishtadeva, worshipful deities, with our transcendental limbs and body. That is called Siddha Deha. That is called bhajan. Bhajyate sebbate iti bhajanam. Seva means to serve. How to serve? To realize his own transcendental cultural form, Siddha Deha. If you have no knowledge, gyan, or realization about your transcendental body of Prakita Sarir, you cannot direct serve to Krishna. And Sarvapadhi Vinirmuktam Tatparitana Nirmalam Hisikena Hisikesa Sevanam Bhaktiruchyate. Sarvapadhi Vinirmuktam, free from all kinds of material designation, and one who realized his own transcendental constituent form and served to Lord, that is called the bhakti, or that is called bhajan actually. Then sarvapadhi vinirmuktam tatparita nirmanam hisikena hisikesa sevanam bhaktiruchyate. Sa purirparanurukti Ishare iti bhakti. Sandilya Sutra saying this verse. Sa paranurukti Ishare. Deep attachment with Lord. That is called bhakti. Attachment means that is called asakti, anurag. There are two symptoms of anurag. What is that? Praspranu snehanu bandhanam. When lover and beloved, priya or priyatam, attachment towards each others. And completely they tied to themselves with their love and affection. And that is called also anurag. And another also symptom anurag, that is called darshane atriptata. What did I say? Meaning taking darshan to his Ishtadev and he is never satisfied. And that time so much eagerness will come. How to take darshan to him. And so that is called anurag. And anurag, this is important. But how to realize this anurag? Shraddha, sadhusanga, bhajana kriya, anarthamriti, nishtha, ruchi, asakti, bhav and prem. Then sneha, man, rag and anurag. This is the sequence how to coming this stage. Then bhav, mahabhav, ruda, udruda, mohan, madanakha, mahabhav. So, performing bhajan and sadhan. And then all your anarthas. Anarthas means unwanted things. Remove from your heart. And because with the anartha dasa, in the stage of anartha dasa, you cannot realize your own transcendental constitutional form. And first you ask your mind. What is asked to others? No need to ask to others. Reman. And are you free from all kinds of anarthas or not? If you are not free from anarthas from your heart, and just you thinking, Rasgulla Manjari, Jamun Manjari, Kachauri Manjari, that is called the imaginary. So for this regard, sadhak first remove the anarthas from his heart. Lust, anger, enviousness, stupid nonsense, rascal, many things in there. Kama, krodha, lobha, moha, mad, master. So our acharyas explain this way. And if you are not free from the anarthas from your heart, just to imaginary thinking, I am this manjari, this thing, that is called sahajya bhav. Then more and more lust and anger will manifest, increase your heart. Understand this? One, I don't tell to the one brahmachari. He took diksha from one very nice, beautiful young lady. Harikatha speaking, everybody, Bhagavad Katha. So he took diksha from that young lady. Then actually what then? You have to Guru Dhyan. Guru Mantra means you have to meditate Guru. That time he told Gurudev, when I Guru Dhyan, then your very nice, beautiful face manifest in my heart. And especially when you speak very nice Harikatha, your two lips are moving. That time I too embrace you, kissing you. This is Guru Dhyan. You understand? Why I am saying? Because anartha dasas, in the stage of anartha, unwanted, anartha dasa, you cannot meditate. Just imaginary things will come. Sense gratification will come. So sadhak, first to free from anarthas, rendering, chanting holy names. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. So, just I also explained, bhajan means one who realized his own transcendental constitutional form, Siddhadeha, and direct serve to his Ishtadeva. That is called bhajan. And one day I also explained about rahasya. Rahasya means wala? Secret. Understand? Many things you have secret, as your password, bank balance, credit card, many things. Secret. In the same way, the secret of our bhajan rahasya. So for this regard, Bhaktivinoda Thakur, Narottam Das Thakur explained, Apana bhajana katha na kahive jatha tatha. Don't tell to your bhajan katha, not to everyone. This bhajan katha should be explained in front of Guru Padma. As like Vijay Kumar and Brijanath. Jaiva Dharma Grantha, Bhaktivinoda Thakur very nicely explained this. Vijay Kumar and Brijanath. They told their Gurudev Babaji Maharaj. So when I am performing, when I am reading Srimad Bhagavatam, then my desire coming. I make one garland and offer to Srimati Radhika. Understand? Then Gurudev that time told, okay, now your Sarup Gopi Bhav. So you serve to Srimati Radhika under guidance of Lalita Sakhi. Understand? Palladasi Kari Lalita Sundari Amare Loiya Kabe Shri Radhika Pade Kale Milaibe Agga Seva Samarpibe Agga Seva Samarpibe Agga Seva Samarpibe Amare Loiya Kabe Shri Vishakha Pade Sangita Sekhiva Krishna Lila Rasamaya. So, Babaji Maharaj told to Vijay Kumar, you are which Ras? Madhurya Ras, Singa Ras, and conjugal mood, and Brajagopi Bhav. Brajanath, he told, when I listen to Hari Katha, I read Bhagavatam, that time this mood is coming, and I want to herding the cows with Subal, Sridham and Krishna. That time Gurudev told, now your Siddhadeha, what is Siddhadeha? Sakha Bhav. This is the person. So Vijay Kumar is called Singar Ras, Gopi Bhav, or Brajanath, Sakha Ras. Understand? Ittang satang brahma sukhanuvuttam dasangatanang paradaivatena maya sritanang naradarakena sardhang brejaho ketapurna punja. So Sukadeva Goswami Pad told, Hey Maharaj Parikshit, Ittang satang brahma sukhanuvuttam. Impartialist, how they are unfortunate. Durbhaga. Why? They want to merge in Brahma. Want to merge in Brahma. Actually, what is the Brahma? The effulgence, the body of Krishna. That is called Brahma. Brahmajyoti. Understand this? And that Brahmachari, they are thinking we are very happy. Brahma sukhanuvuttam. And impartialist, they want to merge in Brahma, or they are thinking this is Brahma sukha, the happiness of Brahma. Is the best. So ittang satang brahma sukhanuvuttam dasangatanang paradaivatena. Those who are the devotees of Dasaras. Yeah, Dasaras means Vaisarja Mishrit Dasa, that servitual mood mixed with opulence. Krishna is Bhagavan. I am his servant. Dasa, Suddha Dasa, that is called whom? Hanuman. Hanuman is the perfect example of pure Dasaras. Kinkaram, aham kim karami. Meaning, how will I serve my Ishtadev and fulfill all his desires? Aham kim karami. But his mood is, Hanuman always thinking, Ramchandra is Bhagavan. So, Ramchandra is Bhagavan, his Lord. So now coming in this way, Ittang satang brahma sukhan vuttam dasang gatanang paradaivatena mayasita naradarakena. The conditional soul, Baddha Jivas, completely elucidated by Maya. And conditional soul is thinking Krishna is an ordinary cowherd boy. As like Duryodhan, Dusasan. Duryodhan, Dusasan, what they are doing? They don't believe Krishna is Bhagavan. Before the battlefield of Kurukshetra Yuddha, Krishna came in Hastinapur on the behalf of Pandavas. Why he has come? Follow.
To stop
To compromise with Pandavas and Kauravas. Compromise, understand? There is no need to fight each other against. Krishna just told to Duryodhan, and you are 100 brothers. Or Pandavas, they are 5 brothers. Actually, this Hastinapur belongs to Pandus, this father of Yudhishthira. Now, anyhow, and you also corrupted. Corrupted, understand? Took. Corrupted money. Understand? And corruption coming. He took anyhow. And also did many things. And kapat. Kapat means duplicity and hypocrisy. He took their property, wealth. No harm. What you did. No harm. Just you have to give Pandavas only 5 village, Panchagram. Pancha means 5. Gram means village. Understand? Just you give to them 5 villages. Then everything will be solved. And they will forget all their activities, what did you, and offenses, they will be forget everything, nothing. This is good idea, no? Because Draupadi, Bhim, Arjun, Nakul, Sahadev, they are very angry. They will take revenge. Understand? So, just to forget, just to give them how many villages? 5 villages. Simple, right? And otherwise big war will come. Mahajuddha will come or not? Krishna very simple way and humble told to them and Kauravas in the assembly house of Dhritarashtra and Duryodhan, Dusasan and main persons Sakuni. Sakuni is the very powerful politician. And actually everything is you are dealing with Sakuni. Understand? Uncle Sakuni, Mama. Sakuni always saying to Duryodhana, Banje. Banje means? Niece. Nephew. Okay. Or Duryodhana, what is saying? Mama Sri. Nice word. Sakuni, he used this word, Bhanje. Mane? Sister, son. Or Duryodhana, you think is what? What? Mama Sri. Very nice word. So I am saying, because Sakuni, Duryodhana, Dusasan, Dhritarashtra, though he was blind, he is there. Krishna just told to them. Return back their kingdom, but you don't want to give everything. No problem. Just give only 5 villages and Panchagram. But Duryodhana become very angry. Oh, you are the spy of Pandavas. Duryodhana become very angry. Then Duryodhana tried to arrest to Krishna. Then that time Krishna manifests his Aishwarya Sarup, opulence, this Sarup. Then Duryodhana completely what? And as like blind, and close his eyes, could not see anything. Because so much effulgence coming from the body of Krishna. Only Bhishma Pitamaha and Dronacharya. And they saw the Krishna, how is his beautiful form. So now coming in this way, Vaisarja mood. So the Ittang Satam Brahma Sukhan Vittam Dasang Gatanang Paradaivatena Maya Sritanang Naradarakena. Those are completely elucidated by Maya. They are thinking Krishna is an ordinary cowherd boy. I like Duryodhana, Dusasan, Sakuni. Or another Dasang Gatanam Bhartavana Maya Sritanang Shardang Bijuhi Krita Punna Punja. As Sukdev Goswami Pad told him, Maharaj Parikshit, look, Subal Sridham, how they are great fortune. They are playing with Krishna, embracing, grabbing on his shoulder, and feeding their own remnants to Krishna, and half portion giving to Krishna. No one can give. But Subal Sridham, sometimes they are laughing, joking, use many harsh words to Krishna. How they have love and affection. This is called Sakha Bhav. Sakha Bhav means friendship mood. That is called Sakha. Suddha means friendship mode. Arjun, he has friendship mood with Krishna, but that friendship mood opulence. Vaisarja Bhav. Krishna, he drove the chariot of Arjuna. This is true, in the battlefield of Kurukshetra. Understand this way. But when Krishna manifested his universal form, Vishwarupa, universal form, then Arjuna, he jumped from the chariot and folded his hands. Saketi mattang prasabang jaduktam, he Krishna, he Jadava, he Saketi. Arjuna, he told, hey Krishna, I committed offense your lotus feet. Why? Because many times I told, you are my friend. Actually, you are not my friend. Sakhayati mattang prasabam jaduktam. Hey Krishna, he Javi Sakti. Actually, you are Supreme Personality of Godhead, Swayam Bhagavan. Arjuna again and again bow down his forehead. Lotus feet of Krishna. So, for this regard, Arjuna is called Sakha Bhav, friendship mood with Krishna. But that friendship mood, that is called mixed with opulence. Vaisarja Mishita Sakha. As Subal Sridham, Madhubangal, they have friendship with Krishna. That is called Madhurya Yukta Bhav, sweetness mood. देखिले ऐश्वर्य ना माने ऐश्वर्य. They saw many opulence of Krishna, but they don't believe Krishna is Bhagavan. When Krishna, he entered in the arena of Kamsa, they are coming Vrindavan to Mathura. That time Subal Sridham, they told to Krishna, hey Krishna, how will you kill to Kamsa? It is impossible for you. Because we heard Kamsa's body is very gigantic body, you know, gigantic? It's gigantic body. And how possible you wrestling with them, especially Chanur Mystic, and how to kill to Kamsa? How will fight with him? Then Krishna told, why not? I can manifest my gigantic body Now you are looking my very skinny body. Eh? When I will wrestling with them, Chanur Mustik, or when I will fight against Kamsa, then I manifest my very huge, gigantic body. Well, how possible? It is impossible. Could manifest your gigantic body? Maybe as like frog. Frog also are saying, okay. Then you are burst. You understand? But now coming in this way, Krishna told, like, look, I can manifest my gigantic body. So you can show to us. Then Krishna manifests a Dirgha Vishnu, very big form. That is called Dirgha Vishnu. Dirgha means very long. And four-handed. Then Subal Siddham, oh, very nice. Fatting on his back. Subal Siddham, they never fold their hands and paid their obeisances to Krishna. They know one thing, that Krishna, he knows some mystic power. So for this, Krishna doing many things. Or maybe some demigoddess enter in his body, something this. Narayana Samaguni. Narayan sometimes possesses his body. So for this regard, he can do anything. So for this regard, I told they were the Suddha Sakha, pure friendship mode. They never believe Krishna is Bhagavan. So now coming, so saying in this bhar, Ittang satang brahma sukhan uttam dassang gatanang paradaivatena maya sritanang naradharakena sardhang brijahu kutapunna punja. How they are great fortune. Subal Siddham. And only they playing with him. Though Krishna is Bhagavan. Actually Krishna is Bhagavan. Bhagavatta is supremacy inside with him. Who is Bhagavan? He has two things at a time. That is Sarvagata and Mugdhata. He knows everything and completely what? Mugdhavan, innocent. So, just I also coming back this subject. The bhajan or harsha actually I explain. Dasa sakha vatsalana madhurya bhav.
You are saying you should not tell your bhajan katha.
You should not tell your bhajan katha everywhere.
Only to Gurudev.
Only tell Gurudev. Understand? Then Gurudev will be recognized. This is true or wrong. You are perfect way going or not. But before you can ask your mind, your heart, how much you free from anarthas. This is important. Otherwise big problem will come. And more offenses, aparadh will come. Bhakti is very far. If you committed offenses, aparadh, then Bhakti Devi will not manifest in your heart. Sadhu sabdhan. Don't pretend it. Do bhajan and sadhana. Chant holy names. Serve Guru and Vaishnava. Vaishnava Sevan, Nam Sankirtan. Prabhu kahe Vaishnava Sevan, Nam Sankirtan. Dui kara sigra pave Govinda Charan. Prabhu kahe Vaishnava Seva. Serve Vaishnava and chant holy names. Two things. Mahaprabhu very simple. Prabhu kahe Vaishnava Sevan or नाम संकीर्तन, सर्प वैष्णव और नाम संकीर्तन। हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे। Understand? It's very important. So saying anartha nivritti, nishta ruchi asakti bhav, and give up also ganja bhang. Oi, don't take ganja bhang. This is true or wrong? Maybe you are not doing other things, but maybe taking ganja bhang. Don't know any kinds of, what is it called? Drugs or intoxication. Otherwise, if you take ganja bhang, then you can see everywhere Hare Krishna. Krishna. Now you see one Krishna, then you see many. This is very important. And or second, have to give up all kinds of offenses, aparad. Don't criticize Guru and Vaishnava. Karna ninda pari Krishna Krishna bari. One life. What will you do? Stop to criticize. Guru ninda, Vaishnava ninda. No one can help to you. You have to go direct hell. Jiva Goswami Pad in his Sandarbha explained. And Ajamil, he chanted son's name Narayan. Then Vishnu Dutas protect to him. This is true. Why? Because Ajamil in his life never committed offense to lotus feet of Guru Vaishnava. Here Vishwanath Chakravarti Pad and our Goswami very clearly explained. And that is called Namabhas coming. In his Namabhas understand? Semblance of the holy name. When one Namabhas come, then all your paparasi, sinful activity destroy. Namabhas. How is powerful Namabhas? So Ajamil Katha is coming in this way. The Ajamil, he committed many sinful activities, papa karma, this is true. But he never criticized any Vaishnavas. Understand this? Yesterday I told my Gurudev, Puja Bhaman Goswami Maharaj, always is saying these things. This life, never criticize any Guru and Vaishnava. Then your life will be successful. You can chant less holy names, no problem. Because yesterday they told you are not Das Thakur. Chant 3 lakhs holy names. You are not also Goswamis. 6 Goswamis, they perform bhajan sadhana Vrindavan. And what is it? Absorbed in their Nam Sankirtan, Sankha Purvaka, Nama Ganana Tuivi, Kalavasanu Kritu, Nidrahara, Viharu Viti, Chatandino Chayu, Radha Krishna Gunasmiti, Mudurima Anandena, Sanumito, Vande Rupa Sanatano, Raghujugo, Srijiva Gopalako. I am saying because you are not Goswamis. You cannot do bhajan sadhana as like them. I know how. You chant less holy names, no problem. But don't criticize Guru and Vaishnava. Guru Ninda, Vaishnava Ninda. Bhakti Devi cannot tolerate. She can't tolerate. Understand this thing? And so now coming in this way, here Bhakti Vinod Thakur in first jam sadhan Nishanta Bhajan Shraddha. Nishanta Bhajan Shraddha. Nishanta means? Phala.
End of the night.
End of the night. Nisha, Anta, Nishanta. Nisha means night. Anta means end. Huh? Simple way understand or not? Nishanta. In the end of night. Eh? That is called Shraddha also. When Shraddha means faith, manifest in the heart of sadhaka. Eh? Because without Shraddha, you cannot practice sadhana and bhajan. Shraddhavan jan hai. What is it? Yesterday I told. Godru mein Nityananda Mahajan Pati ache naam hat jeever karan. Shraddhavan jan he Shraddhavan jan. Bhaktivinoda Thakur, he composed this. Godru mein Nityananda Mahajan. In Godrum, Nityananda Prabhu. He manifests one very nice, beautiful supermarket. You can buy everything. What do you want? If you go supermarket, you can buy anything as well. In the supermarket, all kinds of things, vegetables too, gold, diamond, everything. There is a supermarket. Understand? Cloth, everything you can get, supermarket. So in the same way, in Godruma, Nityananda Prabhu, he opened supermarket. But that market is only one things are selling. What are things? Harinam. Godruma Nityananda Mahajan Pati ache naam hatta. The bazaar of Naam, holy names. Brazilian words of bazaar. The market of holy names. Naam hatta. But you have to buy. No free. Get one, you buy one, get one, free one. But in our Krishna consciousness says no free one, nothing free. Because if I give free, they will not give value. Yesterday I told Anna, if you buy something, then you get value. Are you thinking about this? So Nityananda Prabhu, he is selling holy names. How? What is the price? Shraddha. Shraddhavan jan hai. Who has Shraddha, he can buy. This is the thing. So for the Nama Aparad, one Nama Aparad is what? Shraddhahin jane Nam Upadesh. Phala. What is the meaning? Phala.
You should not expect anyone who has no faith about the holy names.
Who has no faith in holy names, you give instruction to him. That is called offenses. But Bhaktisiddhanta Prabhupada or Bhaktivinoda Thakur explained, okay, you can insist to him chanting holy name 3 times. How many times? 3 times. And 3 times you can insist to him. Please chant holy names. Do bhajan. But he does not accept your advice, then what will do? Kya karoge? What will do? Are chalo nahi?
One more time.
No, 3 times finish. 3 times you can insist. Hey, chant holy names. Insist to him to serve Guru and Vaishnava. Vaishnava seva, Guru seva lagao. Will come every day, temple. What will do? Serve. Understand? Washing the pot, not cooking. And who has no Diksha Harinam should not cook. Understand? And O Vaishnava Pachitang Annam. Those who are non-devotee, not receive Diksha mantra, they should not cook. If they cook, that is called contaminated and apavitra. Krishna will not accept his offering. Understand? Okay, you can engage to him washing pot. Bartan seva mein laga do. And cleaning the temple. His sukriti will come. Give Mahaprasad. Take Mahaprasad. Mahaprasad is very powerful. So when the sukriti will come, that time faith will come. This is the process. So here is saying Nishanta Bhajan, that is called Shraddha here. Bhaktivinoda Thakur, in the first chapter, Pratham Jam Sadhan, they call Nishanta Bhajan Shraddha. And there are many kinds of Shraddha. Just I also explained two kinds of Shraddha. One is called Lokik Shraddha, another is called Paramarthiki Shraddha. Lokik means worldly faith. That is called Lokik Shraddha. Worldly faith. Lokik Shraddha. Or another is called Paramarthiki Shraddha. Paramarthiki means spiritual faith. Lokik Shraddha, that is a temporary. He is a nice person, he speaks very nice, good, then listening. Or give some honor to him. That is called Lokik Shraddha. Or Paramarthik Shraddha, spiritual faith will come. With the association of pure devotee, when your sukriti matured and accumulated. Two things. Sukriti accumulated and matured. Understand? Then your faith, that is spiritual faith will come. This is the process. So, bhaktistu bhadvakta sangena parijayate satsang prapate punghi sukriti purva sanchite. Haribhakti Subhadaya quoted this verse. Phala, Haridev. Phala for slok.
Bhaktistu bhagavat bhakta sangena
Hey, ठीक से बोलो. Bhaktistu
bhagavat
bhakta sangena
parijayate satsanga prapate punghi sukritai purva sanchitai.
Phala.
What is that?
Everybody should learn. Learn slokas. Slokamrita books we have now. Everybody learn slokas. Phala.
Então, esse verso fala Bhaktistu Bhagavat Bhakta Sangena Parijayate, que você vai poder ter associação dos devotos do Senhor quando você acumular os méritos piedosos. Quando você cultivar essa sukriti e ela estiver acumulada, o resultado de cultivar a sukriti vai ser que você vai poder ter associação dos devotos do Senhor.
Here also explains sukriti, spiritual past activity, sukriti. This sukriti also, three types of sukriti: karmanmukhi sukriti, jnananmukhi sukriti, and bhakti unmukhi sukriti. With the association of karmis, then karmanmukhi sukriti will come. Jnananmukhi sukriti, with the association of jnanis, then your tendency will come associated with jnanis, how to merge in Brahma. Or third, bhakti unmukhi sukriti, associated with the pure devotee. Then bhakti unmukhi sukriti will come. That time only your tendency will come, how to serve Guru and Krishna. This will come. This is called bhakti unmukhi sukriti. And different kinds of bhakta, not all bhaktas are same. Different kinds of bhakta. And Vaikuntha bhakta, the devotees of Vaikuntha, Vaikuntha Bhakta, Visaksen and Gaurura, they are the devotees of Vaikuntha, Vaikuntha Bhakta. And another the devotee of Ayodhya, and especially Hanuman is there. And the Dasa Bhav will come, opulence mode of Das, association with Hanuman. And then Dwarika Bhakta is also there. And then Mathuras Bhakta, different Bhakta. And then we associate with whom? Braj Bhakta, Brajarasik Jan. Try to always associate with Brajarasik Sadhu and Guru. Without the association of Brajarasik Sadhu Guru, any method, Braj Prem will not manifest in your heart. What is the evidence? Follow. Pondarikaksha Prabhu. Anaradha Radha Padam Bhujarenu Anasrita Binda Atavi Tat Padankam Asambhasya Tadbhav Gambhira Chittan Kutasam Sindhu Rasasavagaho. Learn this sloka. Who learned this sloka? Oi, Hola. You learning or not? Pagal. Who learn? Hola. ठीक से बोलो. अनारद्ध राधा पदाम्बुजरेणु अनाश्रित विंदा अटवी तत्पदांका असंभास्य तद्भाव गंभीर चित्तन कुतश्याम सिंधु रस सावगा. Hola. Por favor.
Asambhasya Tadbhava Gambhira Chitam Kuto Chama Sindura Sasya Vagaha. Se você deseja mergulhar no oceano, que é Krishna, você precisa observar três coisas. Anaradha Radha Padambuja. Você se render aos pés de Srimati, dos locais onde Srimati Radhika ela pisa. Anaradha Radha Padambuja. Você. Três coisas. Quais são? Você
se rendeu unidirecionadamente aos pés de lotos de Srimati Radhika.
Nos locais onde ela pisa. E se render aos devotos que estão com os corações completamente mergulhados nos montes de Srimati.
Understand? And if you want to submerge in the Singarasa, Singarasa means conjugal mood. Braj, conjugal mood. And so what we will do? We have to follow only three principles. What is that? First, you one pointed with Srimati Radhika, Radha Darshan. This already you observe. I want to become the maid servant of Srimati Radhika. Radhika dasi jidi hai abhiman sigra mile tabe Gokulakan. Just to think, I want to become the maid servant of Srimati Radhika. Jat kam opi Brajapuri Vrishabhanu jai. And Lalita Devi says very merciful. And just your desire will come. I want to become the maid servant of Srimati Radhika. Then Lalita Devi, she will take you and put in her group, Lalitas. And she will give chance to serve the lotus feet of Srimati Radhika. So now coming in this way. So that means you have to always think, I have to become the maid servant of Srimati Radhika, Radhika Ardash. One pointed with Srimati Radhika. Second, you have to stay in Braj, Brajavash, Vrindavan. And here Vrindavan means Brihad Vrindavan. Two Vrindavans Katha Ujar. One is called Panchakoshi Vrindavan. We are doing Panchakoshi Vrindavan Parikrama. Understand? When we are staying in Vrindavan, in the day of Ekadashi, we are going to Vrindavan Parikrama. That is called Panchakoshi Vrindavan Parikrama. Or another is called Brihad Vrindavan. Brihad Vrindavan to Radha Kunda to Nandagaon Barshana. All these are Brihad Vrindavan. So we have to stay in Vrindavan Dham. But Vrindavan, where will stay? Where the sweet amorous pastimes are given to Radha and Krishna. Not everywhere. Maybe your question will come, which place of Vrindavan I will not go, I will not stay? Voila. Sakhi Sthali. Understand? She wants to go. So why are you saying she is go? But he wants to go. Give me prasad. Not saying give to her. This is your fault. This is too wrong. She does not want to go. You want to go. Pagli. So I will not go the place of Chandravali. Sakhisthal. And especially where we stay? Radha Adhipatta Vrindavanam. You are using this word. Radha Adhipatta. Had Srimati Radhika. She completely controlled that place. And especially which place? Radha Kunda. There is many places in Vrindavan. I told you just Brihad Vrindavan. Radha Kunda. Radha Kunda, that is called top one. And Radha Kunda, no one can come. Only Sapaksha gopis. Sapaksha means those who are favorable Srimati Radhika. Radha Paksha gopi. Chandravali and her parties. They can't to come Radha Kunda. Yogamaya protect Radha Kunda. Chandravali may she come in Giriraj Govardhan. We can come. But Radha Kunda, only the place of Srimati Radhika and her Sakhis. That is called Sapaksha place. And very confidential place. Even Jatila, Kutila, they can to come in Radha Kunda also. Jatila, Kutila, sometimes they used to come in the place of Surya Kunda. And when we are used to go Surya Kunda Parikrama, they also discuss these things. Srimati Radhika, she used to come to worship sun god. Surya Puja. Actually, Srimati Radhika, she does not worship sun god. How possible? Just she pretended, yeah, I am going to worship sun god. Then Jatila, Kutila, okay, you go. Because if you worship sun god, then you will get many kinds of wealth, money, understand? Good things you get. And Surya Puja mantra is there. Actually, Srimati Radhika, she comes in Surya Kunda and to meet with Krishna, not other than this. Just pretending, I am worshipping here sun god. These things. So now coming in this way, Radha Adhipatta Bhumi. In Vrindavan, where Srimati Radhika, she completely control her place. No one can come. Only Radha Paksha gopis can come. Those who are not Radha Paksha, understand? Those are inclined of Srimati Radhika. Only they come in Radha Kunda. Yogamaya protect that place. Very beautiful place, Radha Kunda. And for this regard, in Upadesamritam Swarupa Goswami Pad composed this verse. What is the slok? Vaikunthal Janitu Varam Madhupuri तत्रापि रासोत्सवद वृंदावन मुदरापानी त्रापि गोवर्धनात् है राधा कुंड मिहापनि गोकुलपति है प्रेमामृत लवणात्
Yad Basam Virajat Vistate, Seva Vivek Nataha.
This verse also explains. And Vrindavan is higher than Vaikuntha. Vaikuntha Janitu Vara Madhupuri. Tatrapi Rasotsavat Vrindarana Mudapani Govardhana. Or Govardhan, Giriraj Govardhan place, higher than Vrindavan. Or Radha Kunda, topmost place, more than Giriraj Govardhan. So Radha Kunda is a very confidential place. I am saying which sometimes Chandravali and her parties, Vipaksha, they can come Giriraj Govardhan. But Radha Kunda, completely what? Protected place. Only Srimati Radhika and her Sakhis can come. So I am saying because if you want to submerge Madhurya Ras, Shringar Ras, Gopi Bhav, so you have to follow this principle. First, have to one point of view Srimati Radhika. Second, you have to stay in Vrindavan. But here Vrindavan means Radha Adipatya Bhumi. That place completely controlled by Srimati Radhika. Or third, what is the third? Always associate with high class Brajarashik Sadhana Guru. Tar Bhakta Sange Sada Rasalila Prema Katha Je Kore Se Pai Ghanasya. Braj Lila Katha Mritam. Very nice, beautiful Lila Katha. And associate with that types of high class, exalted Brajarasik sadhu. Otherwise, if you go here and there, understand? Suddha Bhakti will not manifest in your heart. Simple way. Simple way. Should be one pointed with Brajarasik Sadhana Guru. Listen Hari Katha, Braj Katha. Raghunath Das Goswami, for this regard, he manifests Manasiksha. First go Upadesamrita, then come in Manasiksha. Raghunath Das Goswami, in his Manasiksha Grantha, every slokas, he explained how to serve Srimati Radhika, Radha Darshan. Braji Radha Krishna Prachura Puricharja Mihatanu. Nanu Mano. O my mind, always you serve divine called Radha and Krishna. And these things. Radha Krishna Katha. And this is dependent on your Shraddha. And this is very important. So if you want to submerge in conjugal mood, Shringar Ras, have to follow the three principles. And learn this sloka everybody. Anaradha Radha Padambujarenu Anasrita Vinda Atavitat Padankam Asambhasa Tadbhavar Gambhira Chittan Kuda Sama Sindhu Rasasa. So Shraddha. Shraddha is coming. Two kinds of Shraddha. One is Loki Shraddha and Paramarthik Shraddha. This Paramarthik Shraddha, spiritual faith also differ. Again, two types. What is that? Phala? Vaidhi Shraddha and Raganuga Shraddha. With the association of Vaidhi Bhakta, then Vaidhi Shraddha will come. Or with the association of Raganuga sadhak, then Raganuga Shraddha will come. This is the process also. In Madhurya Kadambini Grantha, Srila Bhaktivinoda Thakur given first practice Vaidhi Marg. Vaidhi Marg means rules and regulation of the scriptures. Vaidhi Marg. Vidhi Marga Ratajane Sadhinata Ratna Dane Rag Margi Karano Pravesh. You may enter in Rag Marga, this is true. But first you follow all the rules and regulations of the scriptures. Shastriya Shraddha. Vidhi Marga. Another Marga is called Usrinkhal Marga. Usrinkhal, you know? No? A stupid nonsense. That is Usrinkhal. What is the slok? Shruti Smriti Puranadi Naradadi Pancharatri Viding Vina Vaikanti Harer Bhakti Utpadaki Kevalam. This is important. Learn this local. Follow. You don't know? Who knows? Follow.
Gurudev está falando do shloka Shruti Smriti Puranadi Pancharatra Vidindina Aikantiki Harer Bhakti Utpatajaibo Kapate. Se todo aquele que não segue as regras, toda Bhakti que não segue as regras e regulações é apenas um distúrbio para a sociedade. Esse é o
shloka. Finish. One who thinks I am Raganuga sadhak, so no need to follow any rules and regulation. No need to rules and regulation of Veda, Purana, Upanishad. Because Brajavasis, they did not follow any rules and regulation. So I am Brajavasi. Whatever I will do. Well, no. You have to follow the rules and regulations of the Shastra. Shruti, mane Vedas. Smriti, Puranas. Ved, Puran, Upanishad. What Shastra says? Shruti, Smriti, Pancharatra, Narad Pancharatra. You follow these. Shruti, Smriti, Naradadi, Pancharatri, Viding Vina. Vaikanti, Hari Bhakti, Utpadaki Kevalam. That is called Utpadak Bhakti. Utpadak meant disturbance Bhakti. That is not the proper process to practice devotional service to Lord. So sadhake Vidhi Marga Rata Jane Sadhinata Ratna Dane Rag Marge Karano Pravesh. And if you follow all the rules and regulation, then listen Hari Katha, then slowly you will enter in Rag Braj Raganuga Bhakti. This is the process. First you have to follow the 64 limbs of bhakti. So, 60 prakar bhakti anga. First is what? Follow.
Guru Padashraya.
Adu Guru Padashraya. First taking shelter, lotus feet of Guru Padashraya. Diksha, initiation, Shiksha, learn Shastra, Visrambheno, Guru Seva, serve Gurudev with intimacy. This is the process. Then another, Adu Guru Mukhat Harikatha Sravanam. Listen Harikatha from the lotus leaves of Guru and Vaishnava. Here Guru means Diksha Guru, Shiksha Guru, Vaishnava. This is the process. Other no Diksha, no Guru, nothing. No chanting holy names, no Kanthi Mala, no Japa Mala, no Tilak. That is not bhakti. Stupid nonsense. Understand? If you go India, many kinds of these types of Sahaja Sokhi Bhapi you will get. Understand? Sahaja seeking. But you go to the market, buy good things. No need to see the grocer. Grocer understand who is selling. That is a Sahaja's opinion. Well, how did he say? Sometimes in India, the Sahajas they are saying, Sahaja people they are saying, and if you go to the market, grocer, you need what? Dal. Dal. You can check that dal is good or not. No need to check that who is seller. That means is what? That the Sahaja they are saying holy names is good. So you can take holy names from anybody. You not look that person is good or bad. That is a Sahaja. Because they are giving this simple example. People are thinking, oh, this is true. Kintu spiritual things is not this true. You have to take Diksha mantra from bona fide person, not stupid nonsense, who is not following rules and regulations, not doing bhajan and sadhan. Harinam is not as like dal, sabji. Understand? You don't know, but if you go to India, many people, they are coming also Western countries and preaching this way. That person is bona fide or not? And fall down, lock down, up down, lay down, and go down, many down. You have to look, that person is locked down, up down, go down. Now just taking everything. Holy names is not as like rice, dal, chapati, not commodity. Understand? So for this you have to take Diksha mantra from Sadguru. This is the process. And do bhajan and sadhana. This is the process. So it is Saddhavan. This is the process. You understand or not? And another things I honestly tell. Spiritual things, no. But yesterday I told. Yesterday I told. On behalf.
Not Ritik.
Ritik system, no. Karma margas, Ritik system is there. Understand? Yeah. If you want son, then do Putreshtu Yagga. You know? One kind of special fair sacrifice for son. But you cannot do. So need one Brahmana. The Brahman you do. So that means you are performing Putreshtu Yagga and on behalf of Brahmana. That is a mundane things you will get. Understand? Mundane things for, but spiritual things, not Ritik system. You may understand these things. You listen, Gurudev lecture. I will not tell too much, but I don't know you are properly translating or not. Understand? It is better you read Gurudev one lecture about Ritik system. Ritik system, no sir. You give mantra, this is your responsibility, your disciples. Now I am giving Diksha mantra on behalf of him, that, this. This is not. Then who will take responsibility? He will say, I don't know. He will say, I don't know. He told me, I gave you. He told, I don't know. This is true or wrong? You understand or not? Clever person is saying, okay, I did not give. I gave you Harina, but no. But he gave. But he don't know, he told me I gave you. So that is means is what? Nobody responsible. Understand? Spiritual things. Paramarthik Jivan this way. For this, we have to take responsibilities. Your disciple. And if you give Diksha mantra, this is your responsibilities. Hare Bhakti Pragyan Keshav Goswami Maharaj told. Just I repeat his words. If my disciple go hell, anyhow, his disciple will not go hell, this is true. But he is saying, if my disciple go hell, I also go hell and bring back to. Look this. Because his responsibilities. Understand? Guru's responsibility this. You understand or not? This is important. Otherwise I am giving Harinam Diksha on behalf of him. He will say, I am not responsibility for you. You cannot say these words. So now coming, what do you say? Bhakti should be what? And transient. Karma marga, Jnana marga, there is not. And transient, there is got temporary. And our bhakti, eternal and transcendental. Yes, bhakti marga, this is. विधि मार्ग रत जने स्वाधीनता रत्न दने राग मार्गे कराना प्रवेश. Bhaktivinoda Thakur. One who follows all the rules and regulations of the scriptures. Shruti Smriti Naradi Pancharati. Then he will be qualified to enter in Braj Raganuga Bhakti. But already I told, if sadhak first practice Vidhi Marga and listen Hari Katha, then slowly your greed will come. Greed will come. That is a lobha will come. And then you will be qualified to enter in Rag Bhakti. You understand these things? What is his slokas? Krishna Bhakti Rasabhavita Mati Kriyatangjadi Kutopi Labbhate Tatrapi Laula Mullang Janma Kati Sukrita Labbhate. Listen Hari Katha, sweet Braj Katha, then your greed will come. And if you listen Braj Katha, then greed will come. I want to serve Krishna under guidance of Subal Shridham, Nanda Jasoda or Gopis. Raghunath Das Goswami in his Grantha very nicely explained this way. Abhirapalli Patiputra Kanta Dasa Vilasita Balashravaro Sirupa Chinta Manisopti Sangstu Matsanto Durdanto Haye Surastam. Learn these slokas. Perfect Rupanugatta Bhajan. Phala. Who knows? You know?
Abhirapali
Patiputra Kanta Balashravaro Sirupa Chinta Manisapti Sangstu Matsanto Durdanto Haye Surastam. Very beautiful katha. Understand? This verse composed by Raghunath Das Goswami, Rupanuga Acharyavar. Rup Goswami's followers is topmost followers is two. Jiva Goswami Pad and Raghunath Das Goswami. Saying this. Abhirapalli Patiputra Kanta Dasa Vilasita Balashravaro Surui Sirupa Chinta Manisopti Sangstu Matsanto Durdanto Haye Surastam. You know this sloka? Meaning, fala.
Atenção, que o cavalo seu, que o meu coração ele galope como o cavalo selvagem do coração de Shri Rupa, os mesmos meus espirituais coração de Shri Rupa.
What did he say? You understand?
He said that my heart may, just like the horse of the feelings of Rupa Goswami, that my heart may also follow in the same moods of his moods.
In this verse, Raghunath Das Goswami explained, my mind is as like a galloping horse. Is a horse galloping? Race course horse. You understand? First one is a race course horse. Race course horse is galloping. Some big or obstacles. Then galloping, jump and going there. You might go to the TV or other galloping exercises. If you little bit unbalanced, then you fell down from the back of the horse, then finish. That horse is very trained also. How there again? 2, 5 meters, 10 meters. And galloping. So why I am saying? Because this verse is saying, Palashabaro. Asa means horse. Which horse? As like galloping horse. That means my mind always jumping as like galloping horse. Where Srimati Rupa Goswami by Rupa Manjari served to Srimati Radhika. And same mood, everything I served to Srimati Radhika under guidance of Rupa Manjari. I served to Srimati Radhika, but under guidance of Rupa Manjari. Same mood, same everything. So saying, Abhira Palli Patiputra Kanta Dasavi Lasita Balasavaro Bala Asha Balasavaro Sirupa Chinta Monisapti Sangs. My mind is what Rupa Goswami is thinking, but Rupa Manjari is thinking. Same, I will be also think under guidance of Rupa Manjari. This is the actually this is the purport about this one. Purport about this meaning. Abhira Palli Patiputra Kanta Dasa Vilasita Balashravaro Sirupa Chinta Monisopti Sangstu Matsanto Durdant. Matsanto means my mind. Matsanto Durdanto Vaisurast. Very powerful galloping horse. Durdanta horse. So that is called, this is the process. How to serve Sundara. Rupanugatta bhajan. But very confidential things. Serve to Srimati Radhika under guidance of Ananga Manjari. Understand? This is not to tell to everybody. Okay, serve Rupa Goswami, serve Srimati Radhika under guidance of Rupa Manjari. This is true. Because Sarvajana Vidita. Meaning everybody knows. But Bhaktivinoda Thakur, Kamal Manjari, he explained, serve to Srimati Radhika under guidance of Ananga Manjari. But why? What is the speciality of Ananga Manjari? First I told, Srimati Radhika and Ananga Manjari were youngest sister of Srimati Radhika. Understand? So nearest and dearest also is that. And especially Ananga Manjari, she gives her own place to Srimati Radhika, especially in the place in the middle of the Radha Kunda, in the middle of Radha Kunda, and one very nice, beautiful place, Kunja. That is called Sananda Sukhada Kunja. That is the place of Ananga Manjari. And in that place, Radha and Krishna, they are meeting together. Many things are there. Our Vishwanath Chakravarti Pad, Sri Krishna Bhavnamrita Grantha, and explain all these tattva, and same thing. Also Bhakti Vinod Thakur explained. And Ananga Manjari, Anugatta Seva. This is very, very confidential. That is actually bhajan rahasya. So far this regard, we say, apana bhajana katha na kahive jatha tatha. Don't tell your bhajan katha to everywhere. And otherwise, those who are not expert bhajan sadhan, they will be argument, hey, why you are saying this Ananga Manjari, Anugatta bhajan? Here everybody wants Chaitanya Charitamrita, Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami also explained. Rupa Manjari is by Rupa Goswami's glorification. Now coming Rupa Goswami's glorification, not. So recall this slokas. Rupa Goswami's glorification. Daita Sarupe, Priyasa Sarupe, Daita Sarupe, Sahajika Rupe, Tatano Rupe, many things. But Ananga Manjari's seva, very, very confidential. And so for this you don't tell to anybody. And only those are very nearest dearest and faith your words, then we tell. I am not saying, who is saying? Bhakti Vinod Thakur. These things. Chalo. So, Shraddha. Everything depends on bhakti, everything depends on Shraddha. One is Lokik Shraddha, Paramarthik Shraddha. Paramarthik Shraddha, again two types. One is called Vaidhi Shraddha, another is called Raganuga Shraddha. Then another also Shraddha. Bhakti Vinod Thakur explained, that is called Atantiki Shraddha. Understand? We have to know many kinds of things. Atantiki Shraddha. Atantiki means one point. Shraddha that will never flickering. Do or die. Khanda khanda hai jade diha pran tathapi badane na chadiva harinam. What they are cooking? Too much smoke. Pagal. There are no taste to Hari Katha. Hari Kam Hari Katha. Cooking. What cooking? Then so Maharaj, after Hari Katha, have to everybody take prasad. Hari Katha prasad, Hari Katha. Okay, what to do? Now time is over, okay. You are hungry. And today whole day also raining. Okay. Rain. Sorrow of rain, prema Barsha. All you are now in Barsana. You are staying in Barsana. Barsha means rain, sour of rain. Yeah. So, Atantaki Shraddha and unflinching faith. No? What is it? Unflinching faith. Atantaki Shraddha. There are many kinds of Shraddha you have to know. They say, then Bhakti Vinod Thakur also explained Atantaki Shraddha. Faith. Unflinching faith. This Shraddha is very important. Then you do bhajan in sadhana. So Bhakti Vinod Thakur in Bhajan Rasra Grantha, first he glorified about Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, then glorified about Krishna Chaitanya, what is called Radha and Krishna. Because in this Kali Yuga, without taking shelter, let us say Sachinandan Gaura Hari, any method you cannot attain to Vrindavan Chandra Krishna. And Aradhito Navanam Vrindavanaste, Naradhito Navanam Vrindavana eva dure, Aradhito Dijasuta, Brajanagaraste, Naradhito Dijasuta, Nataviha Krishna. You learn this verse. You learn or not? What are you learning? Only watching? Huh? Learn verse. Huh? Who learn? Fala. You learn or not?
Yes, but
You forget?
yeah, a little bit.
Little bit.
Radhita,
Aradhito Navavanam Vrindavan. Toruni Fala.
Perguntei.
Raja Kananante.
Raja Karunati.
Are Fala. Let him. What is saying? Simple. Fala, português.
Significado desse verso, Aradhito Navavanam. Se você adorar Navavana, Nava do Ipa, Vrindavana, você vai alcançar Vrindava. Na Aradhito, se você não adorar Navavana, Nava do Ipa, você nunca vai alcançar Vrindavana. Aradhito Dvijasuta.
Hey, are listen Hari Katha? No Katha, no manen Katha. Listen Hari Katha.
Dvijasuta, quem é Dvija? É o Brahmana, Suta é o filho. Quem é o Brahmana? Jagannatha Mishra, o pai de Mahaprabhu. Então, Dvijasuta indica que o Senhor Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, que ele era filho do Brahmana, Jagannatha Mishra. Então, Aradhito Dvijasuta, se você adorar, que é Aradhito, o Mahaprabhu, o Senhor Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, você vai alcançar o Krishna de Vrindavana. Mas se você não adorar o Senhor Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, você nunca vai alcançar o Krishna de Vrindavana.
Understand? So first come in where? Navadvip Dham, Gauradham. Understand? If you not Gauradham, never you come Vrindavan. Bhaktivinoda Thakur very humble saying this. Kave Gauravane Suradhani Tate Haradeha Krishna Bole. Kave Gauravane Suradhani Tate Haradeha Krishna Bole. Hari Kandiya Bedavo Deha Sukha Chari Kandiya Bedavo Nana Lata Toru Tole Nana Lata Hey Kavi Gauravane Suradhani Tate Haradeha Krishna Bole Kavi Gauravane Hari Kandiya Bedavo Deha Sukha Chari Kandiya Bedavo Nana Lata Toru Tole Nana Lata Oh Nana Lata Toru Tole Nana Lata Hara Hara Deha Krishna Bole Nana Lata Toru Tole Hara Deha Krishna Bole Bolo Hara Deha Krishna Bole Nana Lata Toru Tale Hara Deha Krishna Bole Jai Sachinandan Jaya Gaura Hari Sachinandan Jaya Gaura Hari Jaya O sapacha grihete magiya khaiba piba sarasati jala sapacha grihete O puline gada gori dibo kori Krishna kola holo Vaishnava Charan Dhamavasi Jane Kanka Sam Dhamavasi Jane জনে প্রণতি করিয়া গায় মাখি ধরিয়া বধু তবে বেদনা দেখিব হইব আর ধামের স্বরূপা স্ফুরিবে নয়নে হইব রাধার দাসী হে কবে গৌরবনে সুরধনি তটে রাধে কৃষ্ণ বলে সচিনন্দন জয় গৌরা হরি हरे नम हरि हराय नमः हरिहराय नमः कृष्ण जादवाय नमः हरे जादवाय माधवाय केशवाय नमः हरिहराय नमः कृष्ण जादवाय नमः जादवाय माधवाय केशवाय गोपाल गोविंद राम गिरिधारी गोपीनाथ मदन हरि गिरिधारी गोपीनाथ मदन नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत हरि गुरु वैष्णव भगवत गीता हरि गुरु वैष्णव भगवत गीता तिरुपति सनातन मत रघुना जीव गोपाल भक्त दस रघुना जय गोसाई गोरी चरण बना जय गोसाई गोरी चरण जहाँ होते विघ्न नाश अभीष्ट पूरा जहाँ होते विघ्न नाश अभीष्ट पूरा जय गोसाई जय मुनि करदा जय गोसाई जय मुनि करदा सबर पदरेनु मोर पंचगा पदरेनु मोर पंचगा तेरा चरण से भक्त सनेवा तेरा चरण से भक्त सनेवा जन्म जन्म होए अविराज जन्म होए अविराज जय गोसाई जब ब्रज भैरवा जय गोसाई जब ब्रज भैरवा राधा कृष्ण ने चलेला तोरेला प्रकाश राधा कृष्ण ने चलेला तोरेला आनंद बोलो हरि भज वृंदावन आनंद बोलो हरि भज वृंदावन श्री गुरु वैष्णव पदे मजय रमा गुरु वैष्णव पदे मजय रमा गुरु वैष्णव पद पद्म तोरिया
रे नर कमदास जय श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद ओ श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासदि गौर भक्तवृंद हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 कृष्ण हरे राम राम हरे हरे जय जय गुरुदेव जय गुरुदेव जय प्रभुपाद प्रभुपाद जय प्रभुपाद गुरु परंपरा गुरु परंपरा परंपरा गुरु परंपरा होली जय गुरु हरि गुरुदेव की जय शिल प्रभुपाद की जय गुरु परंपरा की जय गौर भक्त वृंद की जय जय गौर प्रेमानंद हरे
जय श्री गुरुदेव पूज्यपाद भक्तिवेदांता Bom Maharaj श्री गुरुदेव पुत्रपावन की जय
Good Preman. Every learn these slokas. No need go anywhere. At least 2 slokas learn. Anaradha Radha Padam Vajarin.
Many slokas.
Many slokas, what I'm saying. Avirapalli Padiputra Kanta Dasavila sloka. You have or not?
I found
Found.
Avirapalli Padiputra Kanta Dasavila Sloka.
Many years ago. Yeah, Father. Okay, take Mahaprasad, chalo. Your Mahaprasad ready or not? English, Avirapalli Padiputra Kanta. Oh my God. What to do? अच्छा अवीरपल्ली पतिपुत्र कंता दस्सा विलिहिता बलाश्रवार सिरूप चिंता मणिशक्ति संस्थो मत्संतो दुर्दांतो हये सुरस्ता एक अभीर द cowherds, पल्ली द विलेज, पति द किंग, पुत्र द सन, Kanta the beloved, Dasa service, Abhilasa desire, Vati great, Bolo, Bolo means strong, Bolo Ashwa, Ashwa means horse, Boro means riding, Sri Rupa, Sri Rupa Goswami, Transcendental games. What is it?
Chintamani.
Shirupa Chinta Moni Sanskrita. Chinta Moni, transcendental gems.
Sapti 7.
7. Shakti 7. Okay, how the meaning is 7?
Se a vida pali significa
So, riding. Moto me. Then, Sant.
Swanta,
The
heart.
heart. Shantaman heart.
Durdan,
Durdanto uncontrollable. Hoye মানে horse. Ichu desiring. Some maybe. What is the meaning?
yeah.
I pray that the wild horse of my heart may become like the Chintamani jewels horse and Sirupagandi who carries as his rider of the desire to serve Gop princess beloved Gop. So 7, why the 7? Beside this, for the 7 meaning.
This part.
No, you heard this or this.
Yeah, Chintamani Sapti. He's saying Chintamani, transcendental gems, and Sapti 7. Chintamani Sapti means 7. I don't know.
7 transcendental.
He is saying Chintamani, transcendental gems, and Sapti 7.
Yes.
Not good? What is the meaning of Sapti then? Another meaning.
Another meaning. Chintamani Sapti is not mentioned also 7.
Yes, sometimes in the word by word, the meaning a little different from the
1
translation.
Chintamani and 7 Chintamani is same. Eh?
No matter how many you same result.
Same result. Abhirapalli Patiputra Kanta Dasavi Lasita Balasavar Sirupa Chinta Mani
Sapti Samsto.
Chinta Mani Sapti Samsto. I will check Hindi. You can check Hindi? Okay. Huh?
a vida pali significa
Chinta Mani Samsto.
a vida pali meaning Guru.
Huh?
A vida pali meaning.
Abhir means Gopapalle.
Gopapali.
Abhir means Gopapalle. Huh?